Hello everyone, my name is Dark Mineral and welcome to In the Kitchen with Ben and Gage. We are going to be making Oreo cookies.
What this shit? Like it's like we got cookie dough, and Oreo thins, thin little Oreo.
They're very thin.
And we're gonna be cooking some shit.
Yeah. This is going to be a new series. Me and Ben are going to be cooking and reviewing food.
Yeah, it'll be tasty. See?
We make those people on the internet. Dude! Hi! No, you never do! No! No! Hey, where's my...
You know what? You can have that.
Are you guys paused? Alright. Okay, so, anyway. So, let's get cooking. You like listening to this? Does this make you guys all hungry?
No! Come on! Whoa. Instruction strip like right here. Now, I'm gonna preheat the oven.
These are very thin. Look at these. They're like...
We're gonna bake. We're gonna start time. I will preheat the oven and shit. Hey, fuck off. Okay, so we're gonna cook it at 350 degrees Celsius. Can't remember that it's Celsius. Because if you don't, you're gonna fucking die. So.
You'll be killed in World War II.
Yeah, like those 6 million Jews.
That's bad, though. That's bad.
At the end of the video, you guys will have the treat of seeing us drink these shots. It's made with ginger beer, which tastes like complete and utter ass.
No, non-alcoholic. Non-alcoholic.
Obviously, it's fucking ginger beer. Mixed with root beer and cream soda.
And it has a crust in it for my sandwich.
Yeah, it's from his sandwich. So it'll taste real nice. It's probably got like fucking mustard and shit all like absorbed in the juices.
Yeah,
it's gonna taste real nice. So we got the cookie here.
Oh!
And we're gonna add like a little Oreo in there. We're gonna push it down. We're just gonna go. I need to pick this up because I'm gonna go like this. Oh, just envelop it. But yeah, so this is your finished product. It's nice and sexual. The cookie is just like, it's up in there. It's in its anus right there. You can kind of see it. Once it's all baked in there, it's gonna be real good. Okay, so oven's almost done preheating. But for now, we're gonna have a little side.
And also, if you notice, me and Benji got haircuts. If you haven't noticed.
I actually made a little mistake. What we were supposed to do was, instead of inserting it into the cookie's anus, we should have shoved it right on top of his head. Got some extra little stove skin and just layered it over there, you see. Layered it over. Okay, so as you can see, we're still making them cookies.
Still working on it.
And we're gonna insert it right on the top of this stupid.
I love myself! Are done looking sexy as usual. That was mine, with the Oreo sticking out.
And we're gonna stick them in the oven. We're gonna shove them right in there. Shove it right in the belly of a beast here.
We're gonna shove these standard issue cookies into the, apply it into the oven. Just like this.
Very hot and sexy. It's very hot in there. I can feel it. Let's start. Wait, shit. Bake. Start. Shit, don't bake. Wait, I think it's already fucking going. Okay. Well, let's turn on the baking light so we can see our nice little cookies. There's no progress because we just shoved them in there, but you know, I have a good feeling.
We're gonna go check the cookies. They smell burnt.
They smell fucking burnt.
They smell burnt. Let's go, 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 go.
I think they're fucked.
Ah! They look pretty good.
Yeah, I think they're ready. So we're gonna pull those out. Just and we're gonna let them cool for a bit, and we're gonna eat them. So to pull these guys out, we're just gonna.
Oh, my cookie fell over. Sad face.
Oh, that's sad.
Sad face.
Okay.
Well, did you even check if they're good yet?
Oh, they ain't good. Look at that.
Oh,
that's
no.
Gooshy. That's gooshy.
Alright, well, apparently it's not good. Let's put it back in.
Wait, shit. I think it's too late. The fucking oven's off. Shit, okay, well, we're gonna retry. But we're just gonna put these Last time we checked, we thought they were ready, but it turns out they weren't. But you know, hopefully this time they are ready.
We're gonna go check the cookies. Yes.
These disgusting fucking.
Oh, they look good. Wait, someone said I'm gonna touch them.
Good.
Oh no, that's very soft. It's not very. That's not good.
Okay, they're not ready yet.
But then again, they do harden. But I mean, no, they're not good. Okay.
Are they?
No, they're not.
Are they though? But hold up. Just hold up. Just give me a second.
So we're gonna put that in for a little bit longer. And other stuff.
Hopefully they're done this time.
They better be done. I swear to God, someone's gonna die.
Ooh, I can smell them. That's a nice aroma. You know,
Oh, that smells good. Can you guys smell that on the video? Just imagine really good cookies. Move it! This isn't for you.
really fresh baked cookies.
I think they're done.
Ooh, those are.
Should we take a cookie?
Mm-hmm.
They look pretty good. I think they're done. Like, yeah.
Our cookies are done and hardened, and now we will do a review on them. We are done. My voice is cracked. It's done. Now we will do a bit of a review on them.
So, as you can see, the cookie itself, pretty nice looking. Appetizing. Little tiny bit burnt on the bottom. Overall, looking pretty good. We're gonna just eat this. Hold on, let me close the blinds so there's not as much light, not as much glare. That sounds like a pretty crunchy bite. Gage, how's it doing?
Pretty good.
Gage says they're pretty good. Do my review. Hold up. It's like really nice. Maybe I should put that
It's okay. It's fine.
in. Okay. Okay, so right here. Very good. Very nice cookie.
Tastes pretty good. It's a little hard though because it's a bird.
I'm gonna get some milks. So yeah. Should I okay,
Let's
so
go.
now we got our milk. I'm gonna just
Ah!
have ourselves a little pour.
Just getting some milk. Don't put that much in this one.
What the fuck? That was wonderful.
Oh God.
Oh. So we have a little bit of a
Forget what just happened. Forget what just
have a
happened.
little,
Alright.
have a little thing. So I'm gonna dip this in my milk, just like so. Make it nice, all milky. Shake it off a little. Be a nice little facial. And then you take a nice little bite. Okay.
It's a little off.
So when I first bite into it, you taste the burnt little undertone.
Yeah.
Still tastes really good. I'm getting close to the center where the magic little Oreo cookie is.
I already had the Oreo. Tastes great.
So I'm at the Oreo. The creaminess. It's very good. Okay. So, we're almost done with our cookies.
I finished mine.
Well, I'm almost done with mine. Okay, so all that's left to do drink this. Pull out.
Oh, there's chunks.
I'm not gonna drink the whole thing. Just saying, I'm gonna drink
It's
like
okay.
a little bit.
Ah! I don't need to
There's
eat
like
that. Just kidding.
shit on it. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, I'm smelling it. Nice aroma of the ginger beer.
Mixed with my sandwich crusts.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little taste. Okay, so I'm getting hints of shit. I could vomit and ass. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go like this.
Ah!
These
Well-
cookies need to die.
This is the end of our cooking show. Bye, people. Be sure to watch more.